Hello everyone and welcome to Organism of the Week. My name is Marie and today we're going to be talking about these animals right here, which are called Saiga Antelope. They might look like something from Star Wars, but they are real animals that live in the semi-desert grasslands of Central Asia. The saiga is a type of antelope and their most distinct feature is their big, bulbous nose. Their nose drapes over their mouth and points downward. We received a question from Derek and he asked, why do saiga have such weird noses? The answer is that it's an adaptation to the extremely cold and dusty environment in which they live. The saiga's nose kind of acts like an air conditioner. In the summer, they will breathe in warm air and their nose will make the air cooler. Their nose will also filter out dust kicked up by other saiga during migration. In the winter, their nose makes the cold air warmer when they breathe it in. According to National Geographic, there is evidence that their micro-trunk nose also aids in communication and choosing mates. The only other animal with a similar nose is the whale. Saiga prefer the open, dry steppes where they are able to scan the landscape and run quickly away from predators. They can be found in the countries of Russia, Kazakhstan, and Mongolia. We received another question, and they asked, what is the saiga's favorite vegetable? They actually don't have a favorite vegetable because they don't eat vegetables. These antelope feed on grass, herbs, lichens, and low-growing shrubs. Saigas are diurnal, which means that they are most active during the day, but a midday rest is not out of the question. Another person asked if their fur is soft to touch. It's kind of soft. It's very similar to other deer fur. Someone else asked how long before saiga children are fully independent. That's a great question. Saiga children are called calves, and the calves are precocial, which means that they are born in an advanced state and are able to take care of themselves almost immediately. A newborn calf is able to stand up on its own a few hours after birth and can outrun a human by its second day of life. Newborn saigas begin to graze at 4 to 8 days old and are completely weaned at 4 months of age. Someone sent in a question asking if it's legal to keep a saiga as a pet. The answer is no, it's not legal. Unfortunately, saiga are currently critically endangered, which is one reason why it would not be okay to have one as a pet. In 2017, the saiga population dropped to about 124,000. This was about a 95% decrease since the 1990s. Some major threats to the saiga are poaching, illegal trade, disease, and environmental changes. The breakup of the former USSR led to uncontrolled hunting for meat and relentless poaching of saiga horn, which are only found on males. This led to a dramatically skewed sex ratio of 100 females to every male, which resulted in a significant drop in birth rates. Saiga horn is extremely sought after because of its use in traditional Chinese medicine. There are many organizations dedicated to help these antelope, including the Saiga Conservation Alliance, the Russian Academy of Science, and the San Diego Zoo. Because of their efforts, the number of saiga has more than doubled in 2 years, with the population now being almost 335,000 individuals. That's all I have for you today. Next week we will be talking about the stinging nettle. If you have any questions, please submit them on our website. We would also love to see your drawings. Submit a drawing of your favorite plant, animal, or organism that we've talked about. And you can also submit those on our website as well. Thank you so much to everybody that sent in questions. We really appreciate it. Stay safe, and we'll see you next week.